Let's see if this is working. Yeah, I think I got a microphone. Good music. And we're alive. That all seems to be working. Yeah, so we're live on Twitch, YouTube horizontal and YouTube vertical. It's a bit of a different time for me to go live, but just a quiet early stream. And let's get into some code. I want to work on like a favorite set of pencils, tools for the drawback, so that you can have a set of favorites that show up as buttons above the dock. Let's see what the dock is looking now. Right now, I moved the configuration button here, and I think I will move the undo, redo and clear in here as well. Not sure yet. But I want to be able to add favorite buttons here with favorite tools. What that might look like is something like this. Let's run it. Welcome, my name is Happy Jones. It's 4 AM, but there I am. It's just 10 o'clock in the morning for me, so a button like this with, I can even do like different background colors for the color of pencil or something like that. Well, it's the weekend. Does anyone actually pay attention to time? A bit. I have a kid, so I have to do some time management to structure. Hey, welcome on in, Res1 Coder. You still working on the draw plugin? Yeah, I got a lot of feature requests and things that people asked to be added, so going to see if I can implement. Can I add my 2 cents? Yeah, go ahead. That's why I do this kind of streams, just to get input from users who use the plugin or wanna use the plugin. Make it a flat pack, please. Didn't I already do that? Let me check. Yeah, draw plugin is on there. I just checked yesterday. It should be It was added like last week. So let me get a link to the repository. This is the FlatHub link, so that should be what you are looking for. Today I spent 4 hours trying to find a good workaround for my JavaScript play audio without user interface. Then tried it in OBS and it worked. Yeah, that can happen. I was looking in the wrong place on the GitHub for the draw downloads. Yeah, the FlatHub plugins are not in the normal downloads list. Even when I put the plugins only download available on the OBS forum, you always have to find the Flatpak versions of FlatHub. So I need to make the different tools configurable. If you didn't know already, I worked on the undo and redo last time, so that is working. I added some buttons here, but I don't like the buttons here, so I maybe will move them in this menu. But you can also use the Ctrl Z and Y to add. Those are in there. Yeah, let's move those buttons first. I don't like them there. Would be this. Here. And the separator, then the undo. Now we need to move the redo as well. It should be like this. How does OBS show the shortcuts in the menu? I don't know. And the Mexican do stuff should be there, so that should be moved there. The hotkeys are like that. This should be the Endo Max. Put this here. That should be moved to behind the Endo redo. That should be better. Oh, that's Maxi. I love it. Can't wait to test it out next week. Yeah. I hope to get everything done today for me today. So it's early in the day for me. So I have a bit. So that I want to have quite a good feature set in the new version, so that I can release the new version and hope to get it up today. Undo, redo, max, undo steps. Yeah, that's better. I know you got more to do, but what a great project. Yeah. It's something multiple people have showed interest in, so. So let's add something in here. Called favorite tools. That should be like the top menu item, I think. Hey Andy, welcome on in. Good morning to you. Oh, I didn't even see the rates. Thank you, the Rob Meister, for the rate, and Nimsomniac. Also, thank you for the rate. 2 rates directly after each other. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, bro, how goes it? It goes well. It's a nice early morning stream for me, so. We might have been streaming together. That explains the double rate, yeah. Let's see, I want a menu for the favorite tools. Let's put that in the translations too. hopefully productive and hopefully get through the checklist. It's a tall order, but when genius get to work, things get done. Yeah. I don't know about the genius part, but we all do what we can do. Favorite tools, yeah, there is. I welcome in Nachim. Oh, we got a raid by music by Styx. Thank you for the raid. Welcome on in all. Welcome. I'm Exceldro. I'm working on plugins for OBS Studio. The plugin I'm working on at the moment is the draw plugin that allows you to draw on your stream. And we did like undo and redo last stream. So this stream I'm working on adding favorite tools so that you can just have a few favorite, like for example yellow marker to highlight some things or things like that in your favorite colors, and those favorite tools will be buttons up here so that you don't have to select every single option here every time. So the favorite tools menu is there. There's nothing yet. I added it to the translation file there. The first thing I wanna do. Be right back, switching computers. Oh, that's fine. Hey, welcome on in, the Crowley Bear. The tool menu needs to get an action. That needs some text in it. That is something like add current tool. So if you have all the things selected, that should work. Let's see if we can make an implementation for that. First thing we need to do is add a button for that. That needs to be added to the toolbar. The toolbar is a field, so we can exit it access it. If we use this, then we can insert action. And let's see. What does insert action needs? It needs an action it wanna insert before. That's an interesting one because that would be before this action, the tool combo, but that's not an action, that's a widget. Can I ask the action for the widgets? I can ask that. Welcome back, Sticks. Let's see. I want. Can I iterate the actions? It's going good. And I hope you're good too. Super nice to catch a stream. Yeah, it's a bit different than your streams, but it's. I think for most of the people, the coding isn't that interesting, but if you have like questions about my plugins, you can ask them here, and I'll try to answer them as good as I can. You find it very interesting, the coding? The music is still banging. Yeah, it's a good, nice background music with no words in it, so that helps me concentrate and set the mood for the for the stream and things like that. I can't code, but I appreciate it a lot. Coding is just smashing your keyboard till you get something and it works. I was looking at can I search? I have an option here to get. Actions give me like a queue list or something. Yeah. Let's see. I have two computers, still couldn't go to save my life. Yeah. Let's do it's a macro. Q action pointer. That we need this toolcon. That's a Q action pointer. That's empty, and if it's the one we want, we set it to action, and if we don't find it, we return, and otherwise we insert let's test this. Let's put a test in there. Name a movie for an edit. Matrix. Movie character. Let's do Neo. That movie is only like 26 years old. Seriously use so many of your plugins and the ones you recommend. You've been a huge part of my stream works the way it does. Yeah. let's favorite tool, add current. It added the button. Yeah, so that does work. Back from ads, welcome back. So, adding a button works. We need to refactor this to have like a method. Q action pointer add favorite tool, and it would need some settings. The settings can be empty. And that we can just do at the bottom of the file. Let's copy the whole thing. Then that is good, and then here we can remove that. Place that in here. Is the reason it works? The reason it works is that all people test my plugins and report the bugs so that I can fix them. Let's see if that did break something. I did break something. I don't have to do like this. Yeah. That is working. Then first make an implementation for let's make sure we have Why is it complaining? Let's do return the action, and let's move this. How to make a round button on Visual Studio 2022. Like with rounded corners. Get a good UI package that has them. All this talk about cool plugin talk makes me get a little excited about maybe streaming it. Yeah. It's fun streaming. I did notice an issue with the multi-streaming plugins, including the multi-stream. My stream crash, invalid stream key or server error. For that I would need more information, like an OBS log file to investigate. Because only that error message doesn't tell me what. I can send it to you. Yeah, you can send it. Yeah. I want connect action. That is Q action. Triggers. And then only if you want and if it helps. Not sending it won't help you much, so sending it is the best way to get some help there. Windows Forms app, still for Windows Forms, there are user interface frameworks you can use. When the action is triggered, I wanna apply fade. Let's avoid. Because it's the same error code, does it matter if it was used by Atom or Stream Elements multi-streaming? I don't know enough about the Stream Elements plugin because I did not code it. The Atom one I did code, so there with that one I can help a lot more. So preferably something that I made so that I know what's happening or should be happening. I will switch back to Atom multi-stream and wait for the error to happen again. Yeah, that's fine. When you get the error, just send it over and I can investigate what's going on in your case. This is working in apply favorite tools. I want to set the toolbar. Maybe I just can apply it to if the draws or exist, apply it to that. Then we need this part. Then let's cast that. We don't want this. And we just want to apply those settings to every draw source. That should be good. Can you rate my portfolio? No. No, thank you. That is there. Can you rate mine? Not in this stream, no. Let's see. Where is this goal? Where do we need to keep the reference to the settings? Ideally, it would be with the button. Welcome in, Mr. VFDC. So these settings we have here. Which magic are you making real this time? I'm working on getting for the draw plugin like favorite tools so that you can have your favorite pencil and color and switch between them. Yeah, more drawing options. Last stream I did add undo and redo. So that is already added. So if we draw multiple things, you can already undo them. And there is a undo stack size. You can always clear, but you can even undo the clear. So, but at the moment we are adding favorite tools, and then you can add current. It adds a button here. It does not do anything yet. It just says test. Let's see. I got a notification that I'm live. Yeah, this should be fine. I'm a graphic designer, so whenever there are options to draw, I enjoy them. Yeah. I like that you can do like a transparent line and just do like a marking where you can see through, like this, things like that. One thing that nobody ever tackled was how OBS manages its fonts. Yeah, fonts are a difficult thing to tackle, yeah. Yeah, that transparent drawing, that's nice. That allows you to to draw and just see what's behind it, or just to mark and indicate like this part is important or something like that. Yeah, highlighting. Yep. Like that. These buttons, I want to make them more functional. But I need to see where the reference of the settings is going. Yeah. Just a sec. I'm getting a call. Sorry about that. Just got a call. Better source management would be helpful for OBS. What kind of source management would you want? Do you have any scripts or plugin to generate sources? Why would you want to generate sources? I was trying to use OBS RAW with StreamerBot to generate a GDI text, then move it in the screen. This should be possible. But with RAW I can only copy a source from another scene. You should be able to create sources with OBS RAW. What part is not working on creating sources? There is a create input call in OBS WebSocket, so that should be. I'm just looking at the OBS RAW site and create input, and that should be allow you to create a scene item. Let's make that fit screen, something like that. Is that what you're looking for? It's create input. You can say what scene you want, what name you want for the source, what type of source, and what settings for the source. For some reason it was never working for me. I tried to use ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT is not that great with OBS, unfortunately. Yeah, it should be possible. If you have a specific thing you encounter an error, then please let me know the specific error you encounter, and then I might be able to help you with that, but it should be possible. Gonna head out, but thanks for everything, man. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Yeah, have a wonderful rest of your day too. Thank you for the rate and thank you for stopping by. So I think I first need to create an array of favorite tools. I think I have some save functionality. In the destroy I save. Yeah, that needs to change because it overrides every setting at the moment. So if it does not exist, then we create it. That way we don't lose settings. Yeah. So we need the settings to let's work on the loading first. With the OBS routing on StreamerBot, I get this error message. Your specified input kind is not supported by OBS. What did you put in input kind? Because it has to be the internal name. No, it's not TextGGI. Let me check what. I think it's just called text source or something like that. It's in plugins, OBS text, and the name you want should be this one. Or with a version number in it, yeah. Let's see what the latest version, yeah, so it would be like this, yeah. If you don't specify, you can also do it like this, and then it will take the latest version. If you specify it like this, it will take the latest version available. There's an option in OBS RAW. Let me check. Create input. Show it on stream. Create input. Input kind. You should be able to just do this. It doesn't give you options here. So maybe it gives you options when you're connected. In that case, I need to run my OBS to get connected. And then it should be. I don't know why it's only showing. I think it only shows, as I look at it, it shows only input kinds that are already in your current scene collection, because these are all sources I have in my current scene collection. So that's OBS RAW doesn't ask what types are available, but only shows the types that are in the current scene collection. So yeah, it's kind of a bug for OBS RAW, but I don't know if there is a WebSocket call to get all input kinds, but I think there is. So I think this should be populated differently because now it also shows the image source multiple times. So because I have multiple image sources in my scene. Yeah. Room for improvement. Let's move this config to the class. Let's make sure it's released. I want to load it on the constructor. Let's add that save function. that will save the config. It will be loaded. First load. So now we have the config object. We want to do the get the favorite tools. If that does not exist, we need to create it. Create that we need to do. Set array. We need to release the array because otherwise we get memory leaks. It's mostly done in C# for inputs with sources available on GitHub. Nice. Caring about memory leaks from startup. Yeah. It's a good habit to keep that in mind when you create things. When you allocate a bit of memory to also free it up. Create the settings data object and make sure that it is in the return. Then we can give the settings here and we can release it because it's held in the array. and then it would be you want to save the tool, and that would be tool combo current index. I think that's what I use. No, it's this one. Hey, welcome on in, shake me. We wanna save the tool. Next thing we wanna save is the tool color. I think it might be even better. Global settings, get settings from the top, source, step 2, and it's easier to just do just copy the tool from there. And the next one was tool color. After tool color, we get tool size. So set the tool size. There, and I think the next one should be Tool Alpha. Yeah. And it's also a double. That should be there. And if they are stored and restored, so we can do add favorite tool on load, so that would be here. And that would be like this, and it would be after the config menu, so that would be here. I can remove this one for now. I think this. Size D, yes, that's a size D. 0. Model account. Let's go to the item. You worry about that after PC crashes? Yeah. So OBS data array item. And we want to free up that memory, and we want to release this memory as well. And then we want Something like this should work. So if I change and I press that, this change. And if it changes to a different color, I press this button, it should change back. So that button is working. And if I close down and then start up again, there's millions of those out there. Yeah. And let's change the color and push the button again. So that part is working. Instead of test, I wanna get some icons on there. Let's see if we can get that working. And now I want to keep that. Maybe first I want to be able to remove the favorite tools we have. So that we need this part, and here's the tool menu here. Favorite tools, and then there should be a menu where you can remove it or things like that. What? ID? This is Visual Studio. Welcome in, Mohammed. I'm going to head out, super interesting stuff. Love you a follow, thank you. And will sure come back. Have a great day, yeah. You have a great day too. Let's see. We need to find the erase it from the array. And it's the tools array. Let's see if that works. one item here. If I remove that, it's removed there. It's not there anymore. If I add one new, that all seems to be working. That's nice. I think we had the main dialogue. We should be able to copy this one. Copy that, and we want that in here. Here we want to add those two. Let's sort those. Why are you not giving me the options? Here it is. better. Is now named empty and otherwise. Set the name to the settings and then this. We can do tool name. Yeah, that is correct. And let's see if that works. Yes. Let's compile again. If I close and open again, it should be still there. And if I change something here and I click the button, it should change that back. So that part is working. And why is it always showing test there? That should be fixed. Tool menu. This should be tool name. It's working. I think that is a good point to save my work. So I expect to get this out later today, but in a bit I'll go for lunch. So I think I will go find somebody to raid in a bit. So if you have any questions or things like that, or a raid suggestion, you put them in chat now. Otherwise, we'll use the raid browser in a bit. And let's see. Let's go